Going back to what you had said about fours, introjecting both parents, both the good and the bad.
Not just both parents, everyone in their life.
Yeah, well,
Love,
everyone.
hate. You have love.
The more people they have, the more introjection. The less people, the less introjection. So
But the
then
stronger the introjection, the
you've
fewer the
also
people, the more intense the interjections.
you've also got the positive and negative affiliations with your tri-type. And I was kind of thinking about, like, for me, I had a very small network, small family unit, very small. Interjecting my caregivers um, into my tri-type. If I had negative affiliations with that because they were in conflict with it, like each one was fighting the other, one was a 7 and one was 1. So
Yeah, it's identifications.
kind of wanting to see this kind of tangle. And right away you're like lighting up at the, yeah, I'm identifying something. If you could kind of untangle that for me.
Well, here's the important thing is someone could be negatively identified with all of them. And as I just said, if you have fewer people, the stronger the interjection, the more alive both facets of that person are. But the thing is, there was TV. Even if you didn't engage with other children, you observed them. Even if you were homeschooled, you had the impression from the person teaching you. And if it was your parent, okay, then that gets more and more focused. But didn't you go to school?
Yeah, I went to school.
So
I
you
was,
were interjecting anyone you focused on in
yeah,
school. And and if you liked something about them, but you were envious, you still interjected it and feel like you want it and angry you don't have it. But yeah, consider that you are experientially negatively identified with all three. But see if you're negatively identified with all three types in your tri-type, and I don't think you are. I think you're positively identified with the four.
I think I am too. I think I am positively identified with fourness, which has a negative quality to it. So there's like positive to the negative, and
Yeah, but
then
you take it in. You like
identify.
that. You like those extremes.
Yeah.
And that's noteworthy. Okay, so who did I leave off with?